Hey guys, so someone wrote here their Amazon Smart Thermostat is not working, and someone wrote here I'm trying to replace the old thermostat in home and renting with the Amazon Smart Thermostat, and they said that is like not working for them. And someone wrote here this: same describe a few times, go downstairs and make sure the C is even landed on the furnace board. Had to connect the C wire to the terminal on the board. Not sure why the installers don't do that. The wire just dangled there. Okay, an important thing. And even wrote here someone, hey, I know it's been a year, but even if it wasn't his problem then, it was my problem today. Did you turn off the power to the equipment prior to changing the control? You could have blown a fuse. So this is something that you can try to do. Maybe it's going to help you. I hope so. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.